Can't pause TikTok, select two objects that are the same shape, capture on your iPhone. This can happen due to glitches, server issues, or incorrect selection. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok capture verification problem on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, open up the Safari app, type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn this off. After doing these basic things, if you still have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down Detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link and then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see that officially TikTok app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. Open up the settings again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from the below, type TikTok, tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. And that's how you can fix the TikTok capture verification problem on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Have any questions or video suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.